Hi everyone! So I managed to finish the rug. I can't resist touching it. So satisfying. So the next step is to glue it from the back, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So what I've done, I've laid the whole frame flat because that's the way I prefer to work. When the frame is vertical and I apply the glue, it really drips and it's not really nice, so I prefer it laid down like that. I'm gonna use a mask because working with any type of glue is not very pleasant, so I'm gonna try to save my lungs a bit. Now I'm in the UK, so I just got this carpet glue from my local hardware store, and I like to spread the glue with my hands instead of with spatula. So I'm just gonna put some rubber gloves on and just dip my fingers in it. So all done. This is what it looks like when it's freshly applied, the glue. Don't forget to add glue beyond your design so that when you cut out the fabric it doesn't fray. So now I'm going to wait for 24 hours and then I will be able to cut it out and apply some backing. So I'll see you later. So it's been roughly about 24 hours since I applied the glue. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna cut it out. Because the glue is kind of tacky, so I kind of just take the raw edge, press it, and it holds quite nicely. Now with a corner, what I do, I just pinch the two sides together and flatten the top down like that. And now I'll just secure it with a glue gun. So this is all secure now. When you work with the hot glue, you might want to wear some protective gloves. I didn't wear mine today, but hey, never mind. Alright, next we'll need some backing fabric. Now I'm going to use this vintage linen. I love it and I've got plenty of it, so that's what I'm going to use today. And we're going to glue it with contact adhesive in a spray. So now where the contact glue didn't reach and there are some gaps, I'm just gonna apply hot glue and glue it all around so that the edges are nice and neat. So now everything is glued on, but especially with this linen fabric, the edges look quite rough. So I'm just gonna make it look more professional. I'm gonna glue this cotton twill tape to the edge to give it nice and a neat finish. So I'm just gonna take hot glue and put it right into the edge. So I'm just gonna carry on around the whole carpet. I wouldn't do this probably if the edges were curvy, but because this is nice and straight, it's just gonna look super good. So that will be it for now, and next time I'm gonna show you how I trim the carpet with the sheep shears, which I just recently got, and I'm super excited about it. So thank you for watching, and until next time, bye!